In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut for cinematic car videos. We'll keep things simple, clear, and focused on getting those smooth, dramatic B-roll edits that make car footage look premium. Start by opening CapCut, either on the web or in the app. Create a new project and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. This widescreen format is ideal for cinematic visuals and works perfectly for platforms like YouTube. Choosing the right canvas from the start helps you avoid awkward cropping later and keeps your framing consistent. Next, bring in your car clips. Import your footage and drag it to the timeline. Arrange your shots in a logical flow. Start with an establishing shot of the car, then move to details like badges, lights, and interior, and finish with dynamic movement shots. Trim the dead space at the beginning and end of each clip so every second on screen has purpose. Open the effects panel. This is where you can enhance mood without overpowering the footage. Look for subtle cinematic effects that pair well with B-roll, such as light leaks, gentle motion blur, film grain, or lens flares. Apply them sparingly. The car should remain the hero, so aim for polish, not distraction. Choose an effect that fits the vibe of your footage and apply it to the clip or across a short sequence. Adjust the duration so the effect appears during the most impactful moments, like a reveal of the grille or a sweep along the body line. Preview frequently and trust your eyes. If it feels heavy-handed, dial it back. Take your time refining. Watch your sequence in real time and adjust where needed. Let the best parts of each shot breathe, and don't rush transitions between key details. Small tweaks add up to a big difference in overall feel. Make any adjustments to fine-tune the look. Tweak intensity, opacity, and blur amounts inside the effect controls. Use speed changes to create smooth, slow motion for rolling shots. Stabilize any shaky clips, and crop slightly to clean up edges. Light color adjustments, like contrast, temperature, and shadows, can unify the sequence and make paint and reflections pop. You can add transitions too. Simple cross dissolves, directional motion blurs, or quick whip-style transitions work well when matched to the car's movement. Keep them short and purposeful. Often the motion inside the clips is enough, so use transitions to support, not replace, good cuts. That's it. With clean sequencing, tasteful effects, patient refining, thoughtful adjustments, and a few well-placed transitions, your car B-roll will look cinematic and cohesive. Now go polish your timeline and bring that footage to life.